What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you how to shoot fast 2 arrows using modern, kind of modern archery equipment like your typical recurve or longbow. And so we're going to get right into it. As I say with modern archery equipment, typically the people are going to be shooting from the left side of the bow instead of the right. Okay. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to change it. Lars Anderson, he shoots very quick, way faster than I do. But, typically the average shooter does not shoot out of the right side of the bow, and I'm not going to teach myself how to shoot on the right side of the bow. He particularly, practiced on shooting really fast, and I practice shooting in funny ways and trying to hit something on the first try. And so I'm going to show you how to shoot quick with your regular archery equipment. This is how I do it, and this is the fastest way I found to do it. So for myself, now there's other ways. Definitely without using the quiver, it cuts off a lot of time. Picking them up, using the quiver, picking them up off the ground. So this is what I do. Okay, you have your regular bow nocked. Okay, you're going to slide your arrow like this through there. Now, this is how I want to hold it. I want to hold it between my shooting hands. Now, a lot of people shoot with 3 fingers. That's fine. All right, whatever fingers between where I usually nock and shoot, that's the fingers I want to have it. So, I'm going to have it right in the bottom crease of my fingers. Okay, you take this. Now, your arrow is going to be nocked. Your first arrow is going to be nocked in the regular way. You're going to cross like this, put it through here, and this is how you shoot. Okay. Now it's going to take a little getting used to because it's going to affect your arrow just a little bit. All right, you're going to shoot. Sometimes I put my finger up like this. You take your hand through there, bring it back like this, then shoot again. Now, if you have to rewind that a couple times, that's fine. All right. Sometimes that last step where I knocked it, sometimes I'll shoot it back here on these fingers just to be a little bit quicker. It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling the shot. But that's typically how I do it. That's just, I tried it different kind of ways. That's the fastest way I found, for me at least, to shoot quicker. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I do it in regular speed. Now, typically how I do it, I usually have a bag target. Now, when I practice it, I'm practicing on speed. I'm not practicing on accuracy at first. Okay, typically when I started, I had a bag target right in front of me, probably about 5 yards away. You could scoot up closer, but right now we're just shooting at the ground. As I said earlier, you're going to put this arrow between your fingers. Scoot it like that. Now you're ready to shoot. See, this is how you want to practice. It's not up close. You're not really practicing on accuracy right now. You're just practicing on shooting. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay. Remember again, put your arrow through there. Grab it how you'd regularly grab it. If you grab it with 3 fingers, that's fine. All right, but you're going to shoot. Reload again. Shoot. Okay. Now let's try it. Alright, that was a good one. But you want to keep on practicing. I have only been doing this for just about 30 minutes. Just trying it, practicing this way for about 30 minutes. But I think this is an effective way to shoot 2 arrows fast. So, same thing again. Alright. So I'm not much of a speed shooter, but this is just how I found it. I want to try a trick shot in just a little bit. And you want to keep on practicing that until you kind of, get the hang of it, All right. Another tip is the angle you kind of want to knock it in. This is kind of really how I like to have it. A little bit cocked like this, because some reason after I shoot, it kind of turns. So I like to have it kind of a little bit up. I shoot, then reload. That's just a tip for you to try. So if you want to, try this shot, definitely recommend practicing on like a bag target or like a dirt backstop like this. Just make sure there's no rocks or roots in it. You don't really want to damage your arrows doing this kind of shot. It's not really worth it. All right. Now, since I showed you kind of the fundamentals on how I do it, we're going to try it on a target. So right now, we're just going to try it on 2 still targets right now. Now that we kind of got it kind of how we wanted it. So I think I'm going to shoot the right one, then the left one. So that's how you do it on 2 still targets. All right. So I have this zip line here. I got a white balloon and I got a green balloon. And I'm gonna pull it up. I'm gonna shoot one, then try to reload really quick and shoot the other one. It's gonna be, it's still gonna be a really fast shot. It's gonna have a little bit of leeway. I can add another second to my shot if I want to. The hardest thing now, I'm backed up 20 yards. I'm not shooting at a bag in front of me. So I'm gonna shoot the first balloon, try to knock as fast as I can. I'm still having trouble with it. Then shoot the next balloon before it stops. So that's my plan. So let's get to it. For this shot, I'm gonna shoot a balloon, quickly reload, and then shoot again. And that's a double balloon shot. So that is the double balloon shot. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you a little bit if you're just kind of confused on how to shoot fast. There's many different techniques. So just explore. This is just my way of shooting fast. This is how I kind of learned how to do it. And it seems to work decently, as you've seen on the dip line. I kind of, it was a good shot. I did shoot it before it stopped, but it still felt like I hesitated just a little bit on knocking it. I did have trouble. As I shot, the knock kind of turned a little bit and I was having trouble kind of straightening that up before I shot again. So it didn't give me much time to aim. It's really, really, quick, like a snapshot. So, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learn how to shoot a little bit quicker. I hope you get better just on whatever you're doing. And, if you like the video, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And this is all going to be in a big trick shot video coming out later, sometime later. I'm just working on different stuff. Really just thinking about different shots and what to do. So if you have any ideas, if you haven't seen anything been done before, if you have seen something else do it with like a shotgun or a rifle or a BB gun or even a bow, I'd like to try it. I'm just trying to better myself as an archer, and I like to try all these different shots. That's why typically I shoot more balloons, disc, and clays and bottles more than I shoot bag targets. That's just not really what I enjoy. I just enjoy challenging myself and thinking that something is impossible and it not be. And so if you have any ideas for shots, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to reply back to you. And I'll see y'all later.